Well, my name's 𝗍𝗵𝘆. I work for the Robotics Education and Competition Foundation. I was a principal here in Silicon Valley at a school in Los Altos, a K-8 school. Past year, the foundation conducted a survey after the World Championships of our young alumni. And we thought, before we got the survey results back, that the things that we would hear from our alumni about what was most important to them would be things like learning how to code and program, or learning about engineering concepts like torque and gear ratio. But when we got the survey results back, we were really surprised. We were most valuable to them and really becoming more resilient. Social emotional development is something that really has only come on to the radar in the past few years. There are almost no products out there give children hands-on opportunities for social emotional learning. And what MEandMine does is give children and parents and families the opportunity to have those experiences. And they use these things again and again, not just at home, but they can also be used in schools and early childhood education centers as well. So it's a great thing for advancing the quality of learning. All of human learning is just that. It's about humans. The best things about the MEandMine product is that you're able to have this gift come every month. I wouldn't even call it a package. It really is a gift because it allows parents to have this opportunity to teach certain skills, be it about health and the importance of washing your hands, or how the body cleans out, the blood cleans itself. I mean, really things that you would think this is for a high school biology class, but no, these are very basic concepts that can be taught to children, and that's what MEandMine lets parents do. Use the time in a qualitative way so that they can develop these skills, they can bond with their child, and it's about family success. It's not just about the child's success.